When you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. बुझे? नहीं. चलिए समझा देते हैं. आखिर ये करने तो हम इधर आते हैं चैप्टर समझाने के लिए, तो ये काहे नहीं समझाएंगे. तो जब आप बात करते हैं तो आप सिर्फ वही रिपीट करते हैं जो आप जानते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप सुनते हैं तो कुछ नया सीख सकते हैं. तो अब ये आप पर निर्भर करता है या फिर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कुछ नया सीखते रहना है या फिर जो आपको आता है सिर्फ उसी को रिपीट करना है. So from this video we are going to start our second chapter from geography, and that one is globe, latitudes and longitudes, and this one is the first part of that chapter, and in this we are going to cover topic overview. So let's start with overview. Now overview. So globes are of various size and types such as big ones, small pocket globes and globe like balloons. The globe is not fixed and can be rotated the same way as a top spin or a potter's wheel is rotated. On the globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in their correct size. Then, a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilt manner, which is called its axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are the 2 poles, and that one is the North Pole and the South Pole. So now the globe is a true model miniature form of the earth. Globe may be of varying size and type. Big ones which cannot be carried easily, small pocket globes and globe like balloon which can be inflated and are handy and carried with ease. Now the globe is not fixed. It is not fixed. If you will see here, it is not fixed. It can be rotated the same way as the top spin or a potter's wheel rotated. So earth rotates from west to east. On the globe, countries, continent and ocean are shown in their correct size. Now these two are the poles. This is the North Pole and this one is the South Pole. So the top and the bottom of the earth are called, so these two are the poles. They are similarly to the top and the bottom of the globe. The top is called the North Pole and the bottom one is called a South Pole. Next is our third point. Globe can be moved around this needle. This is the needle, and around this needle this globe moves from west to east just as the earth moves, but there is a major difference. The real earth moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. This one is the imaginary line. This is the axis and this one is the imaginary line. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides it into 2 equal parts, and that imaginary line is known as equator. So here is the just between of this, just in the middle there is a line, and that one is known as equator. Okay, this is the equator and it divides the globe into 2 equal parts. So axis, the way a globe rotates around the pivots, the earth also rotates around an imaginary line. The imaginary line around which the earth rotates is called an axis. Now equator is an imaginary line running on the globe, divides it into 2 equal parts. So 2 equal parts. This line is known as equator. The northern half, so this one is the northern half. If you will see here, so this one is the northern half and northern hemisphere, you may say, and this is the another half. This is known as southern hemisphere. Okay, so northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere and the southern is known as the southern hemisphere. So the north half of the earth is known as this northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere, and they are both equal halves. Now next we have our next point, and that one is equator is an imaginary circular line to locate place on the earth, and all parallel circles of the equator up to poles are called parallels of equator, or latitudes are measured in degrees. So if you will see this globe, so this is the equator, okay, and these lines are the parallels of latitudes. Okay, the equator represents the 0 degree latitude, since the distance from the equator to either of the poles of the 1/4 of a circle round the earth, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degree, that is 90 degree. Thus 90 degree north latitude marks the North Pole, and 90 degrees south latitude marks the South Pole. All the parallel north of the equators are called, so all the parallels north of the equators are called northern latitudes, and similarly all the parallels south of the equators are called the southern latitudes. Okay, so the value of the each latitude is indicated by the letter north or south. Okay, so if you move upward, then you have to write north, and when you comes down or when you move below, then you have to write south. Okay, downwards south and upward north. So this is all about the latitudes or equator, axis and poles. In next video we are going to read about the parallels of latitudes. In that we are going to learn about Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, etc. So I'll be joining you in next lecture. You all were watching Edification Seeker, Improvement of Someone. If you like my video, then share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to hit bell icon for more videos. Till then, take very good care of yours. Stay home, stay safe. This side Kesha Kushwaha signing off. Bye bye.